CL800.4, Stetson's latest release. And I want to start with a very important detail.
On this side here, on the power side, you'll notice a cooler. What for? To assist with cooling. Even though the CL800 is built with an extremely robust heatsink, the cooler helps with heat dissipation, preventing shutdown due to temperature. And hold on! Yes, the CL800 has thermal protection, but we don't want to see it activating. And on the other side here, 4 RC connections. You can connect the 4 channels independently. Level control in pairs, front and rear. And here, crossover as well, front and rear. Flat, low pass at 90 Hz, and fixed high pass at 90 Hz. And right in the middle, don't forget this. For those of you with an original multimedia system in your vehicle, by using the high-level input, you won't lose your vehicle's originality. And on the other side, we have the speaker output and power connections. Check out the sturdiness of this connector. Positive, negative, and here the remote. That was the Combat Line 800, the best cost benefit on the market. Combat Line 800, 800 watts. And you know, if it's STETSOM, it's unlimited power.